The latest news we are getting now about privatization is that Nidhi Aayog to finalize name of the two public sector banks for privatization soon. For privatization very soon. From this, we came to know that government is eagerly waiting to privatize two public sector bank. And one more thing we have to note that merger of banks is not possible at this time. We are going to see today about the Nidhi Aayog recommendation and some explanation about this matter. Already a couple of meetings have been convened by the Nidhi Aayog in this privatization process. Government think tank Nidhi Aayog, in consultation with the Finance Ministry, has started deliberations to finalize the name of two public sector banks that will be privatized in the current fiscal as part of the disinvestment process. Current fiscal means 2021 April 1 to March 30 April 22. Within this 1 year, government planning to sale of the two public sector bank for its main purpose of disinvestment process. Nidhi Aayog has been entrusted with the task of selection of name of two public sector banks and one more insurance, one general insurance company for the privatization as announced in the budget. The work in this respect is going on. Adding a couple of meetings have been convened by the Nidhi Aayog. There are various aspects that have been looked into, including regulatory issue, HR management, financial health, etc. before reaching a conclusion, that is, sources said. Once Nidhi Aayog makes its recommendation, it will be vetted by the core group of secretariats on disinvestment headed by Cabinet Secretary. In this Cabinet Secretary headed by disinvestment group, what are the members going to be there means high level panel or economical affairs secretary, revenue secretary, expenditure secretary, corporate affairs secretary, secretary legal affairs, secretary department of public enterprises, secretary department of investment and public asset management, and secretary of administrative department. Following clearance from the core group of secretariats, the finalized name will go to the AM. AM means alternative mechanism for its approval and eventually to the cabinet headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the final nod. Changes on the regulatory side to facilitate privatization would start after the cabinet approval. So any changes on the regulatory side to facilitate privatization would start after the cabinet approval. This is the latest news we got. In this news, before this already Nirmala Sitharaman, our Honorable Finance Minister, already had said that banks in the country needed to be bigger, just like the State Bank of India. We need banks which are going to be able to scale up. We want banks that are going to be able to meet the aspirational needs of this country. Sitharaman had said. Meanwhile, banking sector regulator RBI also said it is in discussion with the government over the privatization of public sector bank. The important reason for privatization in this fiscal is The government has budgeted 1.75 lakh crores from stake sale in public sector companies and financial institutions, including 2 public sector bank privatization and 1 insurance. So today from this news, so Nidhi Aayog to finalize name of the 2 public sector banks for privatization soon. So we expect that the name of 2 public sector bank